Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. I'm here for a quick update. Right now, we can see that there is a sudden upside on the chart of gold. You can see gold is extremely bullish right now. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then DXY is falling. DXY is under correction. And as we all know that tomorrow we have NFP. NFP is a big market driving event, and usually we do not get to see much volatility before a big event like NFP. But today there is a sudden big movement, and if you look at the news here, then you'll see gold moves higher as the dollar eases off a 3-month high set after Powell testimony. Gold traded higher early on Thursday as the dollar eased off a 3-month high set on expectations higher interest rates are on the way. Okay, so there's a news here. Okay, so as a result, gold is bullish right now. Here you can see that bond yields also is a bullish sign for gold since the metal offers no interest. So as a result, okay, things are bullish for gold right now, and we can see clearly on the chart that gold is going up with massive green candles. So in this condition, taking a sell position can be very critical. As I always say, my dear friends, that no level is permanent in the market. So as a retail trader, capital protection should be your first priority. That's why I always say that when market will hit the level, okay, always observe the market first and then take the decision, because confirmation is the insurance of traders. And in this condition, we can clearly see the market is bullish. So as a result, taking a sell position can be very dangerous. I don't know what will happen after 2 hours, 3 hours. Okay, market may reverse again, but in this market condition, taking a sell can be very risky. So better to avoid, because if you look at the chart of DXY, then we can clearly see DXY is falling. So in this condition, if the fall on DXY continues, then obviously the upside on gold will also continue. So as a result, better to be on the buy side. Where is the buy side? Then we do not have any immediate support right now. If gold comes down, okay, if gold comes down to 1830 level, then we can expect some buy. But as of now, when the market is in sharp uptrend, we do not have any proper support. Okay, so if you take a buy position, okay, then it will be high risk. If you are willing to take the risk, then that's your personal choice. Okay, I will not comment on that, but right now things are a little bit critical because market seems to be very bullish. Okay, and DXY is also falling. Okay, so please be careful. Things are very not very easy right now. You can also see the market is showing price rejection from above. Market made a high of 1835, and there's a sudden drop of 30 pips. My god, market is very volatile. Beginners try to avoid the market right now and do not gamble with your hard-earned money, because right now we do not have any immediate support or resistance, and so it's better to just be an audience right now. Let's meet tomorrow.